Biology part 124. Biology part 124. Such differences in response help to explain the effects of a surplus deficiency of the hormones at different ages. In children, too much HGH causes abnormal lengthening of the bones that leads to gigantism, while too little HGH causes the bones to remain short, resulting in dwarfism. The structures of fully developed pituitary gland, pituitary joint normal dwarf people are compared in the figure. In adults, the excessive secretion of HGH causes symptoms of acromegaly, the thickening of bones and the hands, feet, and abnormal development of the facial features. Similar variations in response to have been observed with the thyroxine in children. Too little thyroxine prevents the normal development of the bones and nervous tissues and may cause the seratinism. In adults, the skeleton and nervous systems are fully developed and are consequently feeling treated and unmatched and unaffed by the thyroxine. The symptoms of the inadequate production called the hypothyroidism are low metabolic rate, slow heart rate, and high blood pressure, and weight gain accompanied by tissue swelling or myxedema. The excess of secretion, hypertension, and hyperoxism produces a high metabolic rate, and this high metabolic rate and symptoms which are opposite to those of the hydropodism include increased pulse, low blood pressure, and weight loss. The additional characteristic symptoms are bulging eyes and enlargement of the girth, and therefore it's very difficult for them to maintain it in that specific period. Well, as the thyroid glands, which may swell to the several times to the normal size, the conditions in sometimes is called the exophthalmic goiter to distinguish it from simple goiter, a similar swelling caused by an insufficient supply of iodine in diet. So that has an effect on it. How the hormones act. Two important mechanisms of hormonic action have been discovered. Number one is second messenger cyclic AMP, and number two is gene activation. We talk about both of them in detail. As outlined in figure 25, the cell membranes of individual cells in the target organ contain protein receptor substances which are exposed on the cell surface and are able to combine with the specific hormone. The hormone acts as a first messenger, and the hormone receptor complex which is formed then triggers the activity of an enzyme called adenyl cyclase, and located in the membrane, the enzyme converts ATP into the related substance called cyclic AMP or CAMP. This is not exploited as an energy source, but as used instead as an intercellular messenger or the second messenger within the target cell. It combines with specific enzymes to to close down the existing enzyme pathways or open up new ones